Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of my series on how I created a trilingual children's storybook using AI. And in this video, I'll be walking you through how I generated and edited the illustrations. In the previous video, I shared how I developed scene descriptions and prompts to produce illustrations for each page. Before running those prompts, I wanted to make sure the illustrations were optimized for phone and tablet scrolling experience. That meant, number 1, a 3:4 aspect ratio for portrait layout. Number 2, space will be provided for narration. And number 3, consistent character design across all illustrations. To achieve that, I modified each prompt to include number 1, creating a 1344 by 1792 image. Number 2, the bottom third left empty for text. And number 3, ensure characters are consistent with attached images. Of course, illustration production wasn't perfect on the first try. It took multiple iterations and prompt tweaks to get acceptable results. Once I had generated the illustrations, I did further editing using a few simple and free tools. Number 1, Microsoft Paint for basic touch-ups and small fixes. Number 2, GIMP for more advanced editing like removing noise or substituting characters. And number 3, my Honor X9C phone's built-in AI image editor. This was an unexpected lifesaver, allowing me to remove unwanted elements and outpaint images all without paying for extra AI editing services. Now here are the lessons I learned from this phase that might save you time and frustration. Number 1, always test the limits of the AI tool. For example, ChatGPT said it could generate a 1344 by 1792 image, but it actually produced a 1024 by 1536 image, a 2:3 aspect ratio. Number 2, less is more with prompts. Sometimes over-explaining the prompt made the AI add unwanted elements, like random text in the empty space. Simple instructions like bottom third, left empty worked better. Number 3, character consistency depends on popularity. It was much harder to get consistent images of lesser-known animals, like Timun the Tarsier. Sometimes he ended up looking like a mouse, even in solo images. Next time, for animal characters, pick species that are more familiar to AI image models. Number 4, specify character size differences clearly. ChatGPT often doesn't know animal size differences. I had to explicitly state things like civet is the tallest, followed by squirrel, tarsier, then gecko. This reduced the need for tedious post-editing. Number 5, the maximum limit of 3 consistent characters. Beyond 3 characters in an image, inconsistencies popped up, extra limbs, weird faces, and height mismatches. More instructions didn't help. Sometimes simpler prompts worked better. Also, I had to generate separate images of problematic characters for substitution, especially Timun the Tarsier. Number 6, baby versions of characters are challenging. Baby Timun was an unexpected headache. I had to create a separate baby version profile and run multiple generations with another character to get acceptable results. Number 7, narrow the art style from the start. The prompt, anime style suitable for 3 to 5 years old, was too vague. The AI varied the style across the images, especially with multiple characters. Next time, I would define a specific anime substyle during character profile development and illustration generation. Number 8. Don't underestimate phone filters. If your illustration colors are off, experimenting with lighting adjustments or phone filters does save a lot of time and frustration. And number 9, YouTube and ChatGPT are lifesavers. Learning GIMP was intimidating, but YouTube tutorials and ChatGPT guides made it much easier. In the next video, I'll cover step 4, generating and editing audio narration for the storybook. If you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave your questions or feedbacks in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.